right, we're just going to expand it. So this is the C part where they want you to go from factored form to standard form. Okay, look, that A value, I'm going to do this at the very, very end because I do not want decimals in here because then it's going to remove my ability for mental math, okay? So if I take the first two, I could shortcut it, and I already know it's going to be x squared plus 1x minus 12. I already know that, but if I had decimals, I wouldn't be able to. Okay, so if you arrow it, it'd be x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12, and so there's my like terms, and so here's my expanded trinomial. If you want the box, and so if I had that 0.5, I would not be very, I wouldn't be able to do it in my head. Okay, and same. If I make a mistake, you guys say something. But at least I do it two ways, so we can kind of pick it up. Okay, do they match? They match. So remember, just pick. All right, you guys don't have a problem here. Now it's the third one. So remember, what I have now is x squared plus x minus 12, and then I have the x minus 2 binomial, and now I need to expand that. Okay, if you want your arrows or foiling, and then I'll set this up. What is this? X minus 2, x squared plus x minus 12. Yeah. Keep going? Yeah, okay. So x to x1, right, you add, so x cubed, x squared minus 2x squared. So now I'll grab this positive x. To x is, positive x squared, x to negative 2, negative 2x. Now I grab that negative 12. Negative 12 times x is negative 12x. Negative 12 times negative 2 is positive 24. And so I should have 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Because a trinomial times a binomial, tri times bi is 6, and that's why I have 6 terms. All right, so x cubed, negative 2 plus 1, negative x squared, negative x, negative 14x, and positive 24. Look, I'm writing a 5. Okay, here, so this would be my standard form. All right, here I get x to the cubed plus x squared minus 12x, negative 2x squared minus 2x plus 24. All right, so far it matches. So now I combine my like terms. So I get x cubed minus x squared minus 14x plus 24, and I get the same answer. And so, okay, but, oh yeah, I forgot about my A value. So your A value at the top here, that's what you have, and that would be the common mistake. You cannot forget about that A. So even though I expanded this, I really have this. You cannot forget about this, and so you have to distribute it. And I would just distribute at the very end, the distributive property. I would just expand it at the end. And so every term gets multiplied by that half, that negative 0.5. Or it's a positive 0.5. Keep going? Yeah, I'll leave it here. Okay, so then your true standard form is a half x cubed negative a half x squared. You could use a calculator, but a half of 14 is 7, right? Right? 0.5 times 14 is negative 7, right? Okay. So minus 7x, and then half of 24 is 12, but let's type it. 0.5 times 24 is the 12. And so now this is, with the A value, everything's expanded out. And so I would do it at the end, but again, it's up to you. If you think you're going to mess up and you want to take the a first, you would multiply it to only one of the binomials. Don't do it to all three of them. There's only one point